So hey guys, let's solve another question. Bus seat numbering. There is a bus with 30 seats. The seats are numbered from 1 to 30. And numbering is as depicted in this image. So basically lower deck and upper deck. In lower deck I have 15 seats and up here the rest 15. As can be seen in the image, the bus is divided into two decks, the tower, the lower deck and the upper deck, each with 15 seats, and some of the seats come as single and some as double. For example, seat 1 and 2 are double, whereas seat 11 is a single. So basically, in this row there are double seats, and in this row there are single seats. It's pretty simple. You can give a seat number. Given a seat number, and its job is to classify it as one of these four types: lower single, lower double, upper single, upper double. Input format: the first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. So let's input a test case. Just a second. If this is your first video, then I will like to tell you that this is the code for a test case. It's basically a while loop and nothing else. So lower single, lower double, and upper single, upper double. These are the only classifications needed. First, we will classify it like this: int in receipt number. Okay, let's take a basic input of the seat number and nothing else. We don't need any kind of input. Mm. So let's divide it into two first. If n is less than or equal to 15, so uh, if if the seat number is lesser than or equal to 50, then it is upper. No, then it is lower. Okay, else it's upper. Now what? We have to see if it is a double or a single one. So what's happening in the lower deck? Basically, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 10, everything is single. So till 10 it is double. So let's see if n less than equals to 10, int lower. That's it. If n is greater than, okay, let lesser than 25, lesser than equal to 25, printf. Let's see. It should work. Okay, this is working pretty fine. And that's it. Let's move on to the next one. So discuss throw. What's saying? In discuss throw, a player is given throws, and the throw with the longest distance is regarded as the final score. You are given the distance of all three throws of a player, determine the final score of the player. Input format key. So basically, I need to find out the largest value here. It's a very easy code. I don't think you need to see this video. Go and try it yourself first. Okay, just you just need the code of the test case, and you just need to take three inputs. So basically, int x y x y and z. That that's it. I don't need anything else. I don't need anything else. So you need to check which is the greatest among these three. You know what? There is an easier way. I would like to see the easier version. So this is free, right? I just take a list and you know what? I'll be importing it to x0 or inserting the value into x of 1 and then x of 2. This is a much better method because these are simple problems. You see, when you're going to do complex problems, these kind of techniques will help you a lot. So I'll just run a for loop here without making so many comparisons. Without making so many comparisons, I'm just going to take a max variable and assign a max value to it. These kind of things will help you a lot when you do complex programming, dynamic programming, stuff like that, or trees and heaps and sorting all those algorithms. Whenever I practice those things, this kind of practices using a for loop, using max variable will help you a lot. So basically, starting from I less than 3, I plus plus, and that's it. For loop defined. Inside the for loop, I'm gonna set if max is less than x of I, then we're gonna update max, and that's it. Problem: maximum tastiness. Chef's making a dish that consists of exactly two ingredients. He has four ingredients A, B, C, D with tastiness A, B, C, D respectively. Um, he can either use A or B as a first ingredient and either C or D as a second ingredient. The tastiness of a dish is the sum of tastiness of its ingredients. Find the maximum possible tastiness of the dish that the chef can prepare. Input format: the first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. The first line and the only line of each test case consists of four test separated integer ABCD, the tastiness of the food ingredient. Output format: for each test case, output on a new line. Oh, okay, it doesn't matter. So it's something like this. There are two test cases, 3, 5, 6, 2, and that means the best possible case is 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. Basically, it's 5 plus 6, right? It's 11. That's why it's 11. But it says A or B as a first ingredient and either C or D as a second ingredient. Means I can create a dish like A C A D or B C B D. Okay, these are the only possible combination. So these are the only possible combination: A C A D B C and B D. So basically, this is the condition. So we will take four integers input. Let's first bring the while loop here. This is the number of test cases, and let's take A, B, C, and D as our integers. So that's it. Now I have to take um, max 1 and max 2. So let's do a thing. Um, this will become easier. Let max 1 be A and max 2 be B. Not B. Actually, it's C because A and B cannot be used together. Okay. So if B is greater than A, then we will change max So B. And if B is greater than C, let's see. Okay, there's some problem. I have written here a capital A, and that's it.